Have you ever looked up at the sky and wondered how something so massive and so heavy can fly so smoothly? An airplane weighs hundreds of tons, travels faster than sound, and carries millions of people safely across the world every single day. But the real question is how an airplane is actually made. Today, we take you inside one of the most advanced manufacturing processes on Earth, following the incredible journey from raw metal to a fully functional flying machine. This is not just engineering, this is human intelligence at its absolute peak. Before a single metal sheet is cut, an airplane is first born inside a computer, where thousands of engineers work for years using advanced software like CAD and complex simulation systems. Every curve, every bolt, and every wire is digitally tested for air pressure, wind resistance, fuel efficiency, and safety under extreme conditions, while engineers simulate lightning strikes, bird collisions, emergency landings, and violent turbulence at high altitude. Only when every test is passed does manufacturing begin. The airplane is then built using special lightweight materials such as aluminum alloys, titanium, and carbon fiber composites, materials that are stronger than steel, extremely lightweight, and resistant to heat and corrosion. Giant factory machines cut metal sheets with laser-level precision because even a 1 millimeter error can be dangerous at 35,000 feet in the air, and every piece is inspected multiple times before moving forward. The fuselage, which is the main body of the airplane, is manufactured in large cylindrical sections where robotic arms drill thousands of tiny holes and insert millions of rivets to hold the structure together. Inside the fuselage, electrical wiring is installed, oxygen systems are added, and insulation is placed to control noise and temperature, after which every section is pressurized and tested to ensure there are absolutely no air leaks. The wings, known as the heart of flight, are then built with fuel tanks, hydraulic systems, and control surfaces inside them, and they must be strong enough to bend without breaking, handle extreme wind forces, and carry thousands of liters of fuel. During testing, wings are bent until they almost break, and only those that survive are approved for flight. Jet engines, which are true engineering miracles, are assembled next, each containing more than 20,000 individual parts, including precision blades thinner than a human hair and materials capable of surviving extreme heat. These engines are built inside clean rooms and tested at full power, with fire tests, vibration checks, and noise measurements, because only perfect engines are allowed on an aircraft. After this, all major parts, including the fuselage, wings, engines, and tail, are brought together inside a giant assembly hangar, where massive cranes lift the wings into position, mount the engines under the wings, and attach the tail section, while technicians connect flight control systems, navigation computers, and communication equipment. Although the airplane now looks complete, it is still not ready to fly. The aircraft is then painted using special temperature-resistant paint that reduces drag, protects against corrosion, and helps save fuel, while inside the cabin, seats are installed, lighting systems are added, galleys and lavatories are fitted, and entertainment screens are tested to ensure comfort and safety go hand in hand. Before delivery, the airplane undergoes hundreds of tests, including electrical system checks, emergency simulations, taxi tests on the runway, and powerful engine run-ups, followed by the most important step of all, the test flight, where test pilots push the aircraft to its limits. If anything fails, the airplane goes back for fixes, and only when everything works perfectly is certification granted. Finally, the airplane is delivered to the airline, pilots perform the first commercial flight, and passengers board the aircraft completely unaware of the millions of hours of work behind this incredible machine. Every airplane stands as proof that when science, skill, and passion come together, humans can truly fly. Next time you travel by air, remember this journey, from simple metal sheets to the endless sky. And if you enjoyed this documentary, like, share, and subscribe for more incredible manufacturing stories.